Good afternoon, folks. This is Mr. Stubbs, and this is Research 1 and Research 2. This week, everyone should be working in their class that they're taking in credit recovery on Edgenuity. That class is due October 9th. That is not this Friday, but next Friday. When I say it's due, everyone should be finishing up with their class because right now, if you are still turning in assignments to me in Schoology, remember the deadline for that is 2 weeks ago. So if you're still turning in work in Schoology, I'm not grading it because it's over. It's over. So what you need to do, everybody should be working in their class. If you haven't returned your paperwork that I've been asking for the last 7 weeks, you need to get that done. You can go ahead and it's on Schoology, so you can go ahead and print it off, scan it, and upload it back to me, or um, you can take a picture of it, you can print it off, sign it, have mom or dad sign it or guardian sign it, and take a picture of it and then upload it to me that way also. But if you haven't turned that in, all you're doing is wasting time. That class, your first class is due the 9th. That is not this Friday, but next Friday, October 9th. So everyone should be working on their class. I already have a couple of people that are about done, and I got a lot of people that are behind. Schoology is that's over. That's over, folks. Everybody should be working on their class. If you have not returned the paperwork, you need to do that ASAP. Also, when you come to my class, you need to buy a cheap pair of headphones so you can listen to the instruction on Edgenuity because it's going to be quite a few people in there, and we want everybody to have enough quiet time so they can concentrate and focus on their class. So please bring headphones, okay? Please bring headphones. Um, that's really about it. It's just pushing on, trying to recover those credits, folks. So if you got any questions, let me know. Email me, text me, whatever. Talk to me in class, but we need to make sure everybody's getting their class done. Okay, so good luck, and I'll see you this week.